grease. Wasn't what I was looking for. The only other thing I could find is this. What is up, YouTube? We are back. Welcome to Hobbies Over Humans. Today we will be installing the Injora black brass diff covers for the Traxxas Trx4m Bronco. Some of the upgrades I've already done. I have the Traxxas brass beadlock wheels, Injora tires. I installed some 6mm Traxxas black brass wheels hex extensions. I have an Injora steering link. So let's get these bad boys in. I really like the way the black brass looks. Big fan of it, especially when you scuff it up on some racks. The reality of the situation is I just have horrible spending habits and I always have to find something new to spend money on. So I buy a bunch of stuff. Super clean. Everything they make is just really nice quality. I've been happy with everything I have bought so far. Comes with two. It comes with 2, 4, 6, 8. It comes with 9 screws. 4 and 4 in the other, and 1 in case you're an idiot like me and you lose everything. As always, comes with a pack of stickers. Alright, first step, we're going to take the body off. Set it aside. We are going to remove the links. There's a 1.5mm screw here and here. Take those off. Let it flop forward, and then, nope, focus. There's 4 screws holding it in. Let's get this going. Oh, dang it. Bad Bronco. Once you take that out, this will just flop forward. Once you take the other one out, it will give you access to all the screws needed to take the cover off. Irresponsible spending habits. I had to get some new Injora tools because, well, they're freaking sweet and they match the build so far. Pretty soon I'm going to have to get my own Amazon Prime account because my fiance thinks I have lost my damn mind.
Sweet.
If I was smarter, I'd probably take this tire off so I can get the driver at a better angle, but never claimed to be smart. Someone's got to be the village idiot, and that seems to fit me just fine. Okay, so that just flopped off. I'm gonna get some grease and put it on in here. Let's see how she's gonna look, boys and girls. I don't know about you, but that's good looking. Yeah, buddy. Let me go get my grease. Be right back. There comes a time in everyone's life where decisions are need to be made. My shop is a disaster, so I found some Lucas white lithium grease. Wasn't what I was looking for. The only other thing I could find is this. Don't ask me why, but this one was in my bedroom. You can see what it says there. It's water-based personal lubricant. Lubricante personal a base de agua, for my Spanish-speaking audience, if I have any. All 10 people who are probably going to watch this. Pretty much out of this. Probably going to want to hold on to that one. So I think we're going to go with the white lithium grease. We'll put a little bit of the white. Oh, why is it coming out clear? We'll get some of that. You know, just spread it around. Because Can't go wrong with the white grease. All right, making a mess. That's enough. All right, so we got probably more than enough grease packed in there. We are going to put that cover back on.
Get in your hole. Again, frying the tire, it's too stupid just to take it off. But we've already wasted this much time frying the tire. Why stop now? I'll snug them two hookers down. Bam, bam, bam.
That's it. I can only be dumb for so long, and then I've just had enough. The tire's coming off. Bear with me. I should have done this in the beginning of the video, but, well, pretty stupid. All right, now that we're all in, go ahead and tighten them all up. Torque it somewhere between 69 foot-pounds, 68 to 70 foot-pounds. I always generally settle for 69. And bam! Isn't she lovely? Take your link-a-majigger in your hole. Get, mother effer. Get, boy. Don't try me. Get in your hole. Listen, folks, you break something, it's more of an excuse to go get new parts. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, look at that.
Next back on. There we are. Noise, that sounds like there's something fat.
No wonder why my lady hates me. Can never get in the dang hole. Like Helen Keller. Gosh, that's good looking. I'm gonna go through, make sure everything's tight, and then I'll put the body on and get some beauties. Alrighty, well that's all we got. Super easy install, shouldn't take you too long. They look great, add some weight. Another super cool product. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, comment. I always like hearing funny things about how stupid I am. I really want to know what parts I should get next. Leave a comment below and let me know.